Smartsheet Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Smartsheet are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Smartsheet, a powerful platform designed for project management and business automation. It's widely used by teams of all sizes, particularly those in industries like construction, IT, and marketing, who need to manage complex workflows, automate tasks, and track project progress efficiently. Smartsheet combines the familiarity of a spreadsheet with advanced project management features, making it a versatile tool for businesses looking to enhance productivity. Smartsheet's task management features allow you to create detailed sheets for project planning, track tasks with due dates, and assign responsibilities. One of its standout capabilities is automation. With Smartsheet's automation features, you can set up rules to automate repetitive tasks like updating statuses, sending reminders, and notifying team members of changes. This streamlines workflows and reduces manual effort, saving time for more strategic tasks. The platform also offers collaboration features, including real-time updates, comments, and file sharing. You can work together with team members on tasks, see live updates, and ensure everyone stays on the same page. For teams that need to work across different locations, Smartsheet's cloud-based system is particularly useful, allowing teams to access the platform from anywhere. Smartsheet supports multiple views like Grid View, Gantt chart, and Card View, which are ideal for managing projects of various complexities. It's also customizable, allowing users to create personalized dashboards, reports, and even integrate with other tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Workspace. While Smartsheet offers many advanced features, its learning curve can be steep for newcomers, especially those who aren't familiar with spreadsheets or project management tools. But once you get the hang of it, it's a game changer for automating workflows, improving project visibility, and increasing team collaboration. In conclusion, Smartsheet is an excellent choice for teams that need both flexibility and automation in managing projects. Whether you're overseeing a simple task list or a complex project, Smartsheet can streamline your processes. Check out the description for more details and links to get started.